Hey everybody, welcome back. It's time to give away some more guitar plans. Hey everybody, I'd just like to take a second here to ask you to share my videos wherever you can. That would help me out. Also, if you think I deserve it, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, to do so now and click the bell notification button, because you're going to be giving away more guitar plans and you're not going to want to miss out. Okay, so it's time to give away the guitar plans now. And what you had to do was I had 3 guitar players in my head who have predominantly used nothing but V's their entire career, and you had to guess one of them. You can guess multiple times if you wanted to, but just one guess per comment. All right, and those 3 guitar players were Michael Schenker, Lonnie Mack, and KK Downing. So if any of you picked one of those 3, you're a winner. We had 18 correct guesses, so we have 18 people who are going to win these plans. So if you're a winner, you contact me at boudreaux_guitars@yahoo.com, and I will email you a PDF file. You can load it on a thumb drive, take it to your local office supply store, wherever you get that sort of thing from, and they will print them out for you full size, and you can get making your templates and start building your guitar. We had one guy who asked if he won, if I could send him the Telecaster plans instead of the V. And yes, you can do that. If this time, if you would rather have a different plans than the Flying V, just let me know. All right, so we got 18 people. At the end of the video, I'm gonna put a scrolly thing with all their names on it, because it's just too many, and a lot of them I can't even pronounce, because you know how silly YouTube names are. So we will see you in the next video. So you guys behave yourself. Peace.